An affordable home loaded with features, including a yoga studio, a lofty retreat, soaring ceilings, a grand gathering space, and even a theater. Today's tour offers a beautiful blend of functionality, affordability, and luxury. Now, wherever you are in the world, this tour is for you, and we're going to get into it right now. Now, my name is Keith Duble. If you don't already know, I'm a realtor committed to bringing you the best property tours in all of Austin. I'd love to have you as a part of our YouTube family, so please consider touching that subscribe button. And would you do me a favor? Tell me what you love about this home, about the comments below, and I will definitely get back to you. Thank you so much. Guys, I am so thrilled to take you through this property today. It is the Willis plan by Coventry Homes. Now, this particular model is in Santa Rita Ranch in Liberty Hill, and the price points up there are going to be a little bit higher than a lot of the communities where this property is offered. But I think you'll see that there is a beautiful range. It starts at about $682 and goes up to about $734. It's a 4-bed, 3.5 bath, 2-story, 3-car garage, clocking in right about 3,153 square feet. Now, this plan is a great and very functional option with so many things. So if you're looking for some luxury, you're looking for some features in a property, this is definitely going to be a great option for you. You walk in, we've already looked at that incredible kitchen, that amazing living space, but you have so many things like that little work recipe station, that little workstation over there. This property, I can't wait to show you, actually has a little yoga studio. Now, it's a bonus space. They turned it into it and designed it into a yoga studio, but you can do anything that you want to do with it. And you'll see that that space is actually off by the garage, so it's away from the family. So if you want to turn that into a gym, you can, which we'll get into momentarily. This dining space is awesome. There is actually only one dining space in this home. You have your breakfast bar over there if you want to have, a couple of snacks by the bar, eat breakfast there. But you have one dining area, so there is really no kind of breakfast room. And a lot of the properties are going that direction. A lot of models are only offering one breakfast area, or one dining area rather, where you can actually sit down. But I do love the view up into this second floor. You have this second level with a loft up there, and it's kind of a living space, but it's great because there's views on both sides. And on this wall down here, there's 3 paneled slider doors on both sides, and then there's a third access to the outside by the dining area. So we're going to head into this owner's bath, and you have that vaulted ceiling, windows all the way around. You have 2 side lights that you can open, and then that center picture window, which is large. You can't open that, but it's a beautiful picture window, which is fixed, and it's beautiful. So there's the French doors that go into this awesome bathroom. I love just how kind of just grand this bathroom is. They did a great job selecting all the colors. You have that dark floor against those lighter wood vanities, and then you have a shower. It's just a walk-in shower, frameless glass. It's great. And then you have your closet set up here, and this closet is awesome. They've got the his and hers. There's a larger one on this side, there's another one on the other side over here, and there's a couple of options. So you come through the owner suite. There is the hazed picture window and the transom window above it, of course. Nice sized bathroom. And then we go through a second closet in the owner's bath, which I'll kind of pan around here and show you. Both of them are pretty generously sized, good size closets. And then of course this connects directly into the laundry space, which is very cool. You've got your upper and your lower, and plenty of room for the washer and dryer set up in here. And then you're going to come through, and then suddenly you're just back into this recipe station, this work area here, where you can have this little office set up. And then you turn around, the kitchen is right behind you. Now, coming in through here, the door that would lead into kind of a mudroom area. You can see that mud bench that hooks. And then right here is the little yoga studio. It's so cool, man. What a great layout. This plan is so smart. I love how thoughtfully this floor plan was created, all the layout, the space, all the places where they just have all your little retreats. And that's a cool little room. Of course, you can do a gym if you want to. You can do another, office in there, whatever it is that you want to do. There's a lot of room in there, and it's very functional modular space. Now, behind me, if I were to turn left, is actually the sales office. So that's where all of the employees are working, but it would be the garage. I didn't go in there to show it to you because currently it's not a garage, it's an office, and that's where as I mentioned, the sales reps work. So I'm going to show you the additional bedrooms here, and as we swing back around, I want you just to see on the upper level all the additional windows they put in to let light in. And when you're walking through a home, it's so crazy. And if you've been watching my videos for a while, if you've seen any of my videos, you know that I talk about light and its value and its effect. But on this house, it's more pronounced than most because the lights in the home do very little to actually brighten your environment. The light that is the most impactful is going to be light that's coming in from the outside. It just floods the space, and it's amazing. And this house would be incredibly dark if they didn't do all of the windows up top. So as we go back into this living room space, as I'm moving the camera around, be mindful. Now look at this additional storage. This is under the stairs, and that stair storage is a closet. You can go back in, you go all the way around that little partition, that wall, and there's more storage. Now there's another half bath at the bottom of the staircase right here. And that's going to serve all your guests when they come in town, all the needs that you may or may not have, and your family members and so forth. They're all going to be able to come and use this. And there's actually another little linen closet inside that bathroom that you can store your towels and whatever you need here. So it's a great layout. And I think I opened this. Yeah, sure did. Yep, it opens it. There's another little towel closet in here. All your storage needs, keep your supplies. If you want to keep cleaners and so forth in there, it's great. So as I'm heading up the stairs, I'm going to show you the second level, but I want you just to be mindful of the windows, as I mentioned. So many picture windows that go around the top. Some people call them transom windows, depending on the functionality. But the windows up here really do open up so much more light. And look how tall the ceiling is up here too. So they're not going to just kind of cut you off by putting a lower ceiling in here. Nope. Adds to the grandeur of this space by putting in that vaulted ceiling up top. And look at that ceiling that goes from the main level all the way up. And you have 4 windows above, those transom windows above the sliders. And then you have 3 more on that side with the little blinds, and it's just beautiful. Lets in so much light. Now here is your theater space that you can use this, your media room, entertainment room, whatever you want to call this, but super functional, super cool. And the way they did this is great. They have all the built-ins, the dark treatments. It's got the surround sound in the ceiling. So it's going to be really just an incredible little theater here that you can use for all your entertaining and guests. And I would imagine for my kids, I would have all of my snacks and treats and so forth and stuck in that closet set up there, or those cabinets set up there, so they could have little things to enjoy if they get a chance to watch a movie, if they have friends come over. Now I have some additional bedrooms on the second level. So on the second level is bedroom 3 and bedroom 4. There is a full bath on the just outside this bedroom, and there is going to be, I want to say there's another bathroom on the other side by the other bedroom. We're going to go in just a second and see. Sometimes the houses all run together, guys. I'm sorry, but it's there's so many options in this place. So we're going to walk around and show you this other bedroom here. But again, just enjoying just the amazing layout. I love this. I remember the first time I walked into this plan. Now, this is in Santa Rita Ranch. I may have mentioned, I think in the beginning of the video, I said this is in Santa Rita Ranch, this model. And this model starts at $682, but goes all the way up to about $733. And again, 4-bed, 3.5 bath, 2 stories, 3-car garage, 3,153 square feet. And just an incredible layout, guys. Just a beautiful house. Yeah, and as I mentioned, I remember the first time I walked in, I was like, how much is this house? Oh my gosh. And guys, right now, this is market dependent, and please verify with me before you quote anything, but right now they are offering incredible incentives, and they're doing, I believe, they're doing a really substantial, I'm not going to name the number, so hit me up if you want to know what it is, but there is a really substantial interest rate buy down for a limited time that they're doing on this if you decide to work with the lender at Coventry and you qualify for their programs. But the amount of money that you save monthly by going with their interest rate, their preferred lender, is incredible. So just check it out. Now we're heading back downstairs. We went through that dining space, and now we're back out to a kind of a dining space, entertainment space out here, and it does a 90-degree turn around the bottom of the main level. They have those brick columns, and there's 2 picture windows on the side of that door, and then over here, of course, on this wall, and then the caddy corner wall on the other side of that, there's 2 sliding doors. So this whole area opens up. You can chill out here, enjoy time with the family. They did some xeriscaping back here. You could definitely do something like that. And not only is the front of the house beautiful, the back of the house is really a nice layout. I love how beautiful this elevation is, the rear elevation. It's outstanding. So you have your sliders on this side. You have the sliders on the left side. You have your 2 picture windows up opposite the door, which we're going to go in here. And just so much to see and so much to enjoy in the Willis plan. This is one of my favorite plans that the Willis plan that Coventry does, because of just for the price, you get so much for your money, and it's just amazing. So you guys have questions, hit me up. I would love to take care of you. Of course, we do a ton of new construction. This is the office, by the way. Another little office setup here, which is obviously your main office, the double glass doors, the double glass inlay French doors that go in. So beautiful layout, excellent, very functional front of the house, everything that you would need, just additional value. So this is, again, the Willis. Hit me up. We do a ton of new construction. I have relationships with all these builders, which really is what separates us from so many of the other folks. And a lot of amazing agents out there, but a lot of agents are just scared of new construction, and that's just not the case with us. We do a lot of it. I do a lot of new construction, and we love working with our builders, sales partners. They're amazing. So if you guys have questions, feel free to hit me up. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour, guys. I really just enjoyed this time, really enjoyed this property, spending a few minutes with you. Again, this is Santa Rita Ranch, and while this one starts at $682 in Santa Rita Ranch, it's going to be on the higher end, but again, you can get into this property in the high 600s, and it will take you up to the mid 7s. Thank you again for spending time with me. I so appreciate you guys. Please check out one of the other videos YouTube is suggesting for you, and I will see you guys on the next one. Have a great day.